Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this dictionary filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. You have three different preset. You can change the preset. You can tap on the screen to change the text. And the good thing with this filter, you can add pictures from your camera roll. Okay, likewise you can browse picture from your camera roll. Okay, so to get this effect on Instagram, you can visit the creator profile. Gabrielle Karina is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tray. She's having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery, and this is the filter dictionary. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And if you are not getting the filter like this, then you can visit this website. Link to this website I will give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the link to the filter. You just have to tap on the link and open it with Instagram, and likewise also you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.